Hey guys, we're gonna talk about the bufio reader. So it's kind of magical. So I wanna show some examples. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna read a file, we're gonna read TCP connection, and we're gonna even read the standard input. And those all are the common thing is they're all implementing to reader interface. So we can all assign it here as a parameter. And bufio reader is gonna take care of that. So let's start with the file. What we need is we have to open a file. There is this small file txt, small file txt. So we're gonna have the file. Yeah, if error is not nil, standard stuff. And then otherwise we already have the reader. What we can do is here, yeah, we just can use the reader and we can use till the end of the line, and we got the string, and that's it. And we can just say, yeah, line. Yeah, we have to iterate through and stuff, but that is the first line. We already got it, and that is pretty simple. So that's the first usage, I would say. So I'm gonna comment this out. Of course, you need to iterate, you need to check if it's the end of the file and that kind of stuff, but here is the idea. So that's the first usage. So let's use the second way. We're gonna have the reader again with the bufio, but this time we're gonna use the stdin. So whatever we write in the terminal is gonna go into here. And let's have the reader as well. And yeah, just say something like type your project, something like that. Then what we're gonna have, yeah, we have to read the line till the new line. It's the same. Actually, we can use the scanner here. Maybe it would be more suitable, but just to give the idea, bufio standard library, it's completely coming with the Golang. You don't need to install anything extra, and you can type the line. For now, I'm gonna avoid this, and yeah, type your project. It's project A, and yeah, it's basically printing it because it's implementing. stdin is implementing the reader interface, so it's fine for the bufio. As I said, probably but it's the same. You can use the NewReader or NewScanner. It's working exactly the same. So it's gonna be, you can use it and you can iterate. You can like interactively having more lines coming. So third is, so we're gonna have, again, just to give you the idea how magical is this. So we're gonna have again the reader. This time what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have a listener, like in the previous episode if you have watched it. So if you listen 8080 and start accepting requests, you get already the connection. Of course you have to handle the errors and stuff, but yeah, for now let's skip it. So we have the connection, and yeah, whatever you send through the TCP, now you will be able to read it. Read string till new line again. Let's not, and we got the line. So let's run this, and we gotta just send something to the 8080 port 8080, and reader is gonna take care of it. And yeah, we can do it with the curl localhost 8080, or just let's do it with the netcat something here. Yeah, I got out of presentation mode, but here is it. So something here. So we were able to even read the TCP, all this magical NewReader, whatever is implementing the reader interface, which is this one. It has to have the reads, the giving the byte, and returning how many of the byte has been read, and then returning error if there is any. So basically that's it. So either it's terminal window, standard input, or file, or TCP connection. Yeah, you can use it. The reader, like you can even like do some stuff like new reader size. Normally it's 4 kilobyte. It's reading in the keeping in the buffer. So if it's not making extra syscalls. So when you get the line, it's in the buffer. It's already the remaining amount, which is like less than 4 kilobyte. But then when it's finished in the iteration, it makes a syscall. So it's make it much more scalable and useful, and you can change the size here. Yeah, basically, if you don't want 4 kilobytes, you can make it higher, lower here with the new reader size. Just take a look at the bufio. It's standard library functions, and it's very useful. I will see you in the next one.